In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Discord look better. We're going to walk through the built-in customization options inside Discord so you can give your account a cleaner, more personalized look. This is a simple process and most of it happens directly from your profile and settings area. To begin, open Discord and go to your dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner and click on your profile. This opens the menu where you can access your personal settings and account options. From there, click on Edit Profile. This is where Discord lets you manage the look and feel of your profile. After that, click on the profile section itself so you can view the customization area more closely. Next, look to the left-hand column and find Appearance under the Experience section. Click on Appearance to open the visual settings. Then after you've open that section, click on Theme in the left-hand column. This is where you can start changing how Discord looks on your screen. At this point, you'll see different color theme options. Some of these themes require Discord Nitro. If you click on one of the available color themes, Discord will let you preview the style before making any final changes. That's helpful because you can see how the colors affect the overall interface before deciding. If you want to use one of those premium themes, Discord will guide you to the Nitro checkout, where you can purchase Nitro and then apply the new color theme. If you'd rather explore more ways to improve the look of your Discord, there's another path you can take. Go back and click on your profile again in the bottom left corner. When your profile menu appears, click on Shop. Inside the shop, you'll see a variety of items and visual upgrades you can customize by purchasing them. This may include different profile-related cosmetics and other appearance options that help your account stand out. It's a good place to browse if you want more than just a theme change and you're interested in upgrading the overall style of your Discord presence. As you go through these options, take your time previewing everything before buying or applying anything. That way, you can choose a style that matches your taste and makes Discord more enjoyable to use. And that's how to make your Discord look better using Discord's profile, theme, and shop customization features.